Check it out. This is the 2014 to 2020 Nissan Rogue Hamilton conversion kit for CarPlay and Android Auto. This game-changing 10-inch display is going to make your vehicle feel brand new. The Hamilton Motor Company engineers have worked diligently to ensure that it preserves your factory microphone. Check out this big screen navigation and compare that to the original. This is awesome. It's going to preserve your original steering wheel controls as well, whether you're turning the volume up and down or adjusting the radio stations. And this vehicle has the factory 360 camera system. The right mirror has been replaced, so it does not have a right camera, but you can see that original 360 camera system in your factory reverse right there. Outside of Android Auto, this device is going to have some powerful functionality on the Hamilton underlying operating system. You can see here we have access to apps and features that aren't available in Android Auto, things like streaming. And you can either connect this to your phone's hotspot to activate these apps, or we include an optional Hamilton Connect 4G SIM card that you can activate for an additional charge, giving the device a native data connection similar to the newest vehicles on the market like Tesla. We back this device with a 3-year limited warranty that we call the Hamilton Guarantee, as well as talented technical support in Raleigh, North Carolina. If you have any questions, check us out today at hamiltonmotorcompany.com. I'm now going to show you how to pair and set up Android Auto. To pair and set up wireless Android Auto, we'll come here to Connected Devices, pair a new device, and you're going to be looking for a device starting with Hamilton. We'll wait for it to appear, and when it does, we'll go ahead and touch it. A pairing code is going to pop up. Make sure Allow Access to Contacts and History is on, and click Pair. Now the Hamilton conversion kit will begin loading, and after about 20 seconds that first time, you'll see wireless Android Auto appear on the screen. And there it is, wireless Android Auto. I'm Dave from Hamilton Motor Company, and I'll see you in the next video.